Hello, I'm Christopher Sian O. Gutierrez from Alibang Season, Pangasinan, and I will recite the vision, mission, and core values of University of Eastern Pangasinan. Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible UEPians through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and value-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. So, sa past na Net 101 ko po ay ang naging teacher ko po is si Ma'am Evelyn Nanyo. And mga natutunan ko po is sa kanya nung prelim, midterm to finals is yung una po is yung mga protocols ng application and layer or TCP IP model, paggamit ng LAN networks using packet tracers like bus topology setup and ring topology setup and star topology setup. Natutunan din po namin yung straight through cable, kung paano mag-cut at paano yung gamitin yung straight through cable and tsaka crossover patch cable na ginamitan namin ng mga crimping tools and RJ45 para mapag-connect yung cable na gagamitin para sa router. Tsaka meron pa po pala rin yung sa packet tracer na ginamit naming application is yung Cisco. Yun lang po. Hindi ko na maalala yung iba. Thank you po.